All right, welcome to another project breakdown. In this project, we're gonna go over a screened-in porch that got converted to a three-season room. So let's get started. So in this picture here, we can see the before picture. It was just screened in. Each opening was screened in. But the nice part about this project is that the porch was already framed out. All it really needed was some windows to be placed in there. One thing to note is we have the door here, and on each side of the door, there's like a tiny opening. We put in a fixed light into it. You can see on this after picture, they're pretty thin, but at least it gives a little bit of light through there as well. And then up above, we have a big transom that goes over the door and over those fixed lights as well. Now, to the right of the door, you can see this big opening, right? There's three openings to the right. The windows, the vertical windows that we have, they're not going to fill that wide of a space. So what we had to do was add two windows with a little mullion in between. And now if you look at the after picture, you can see the two windows with an aluminum mullion in between. And because those two windows ended up being roughly 30 inches or less, we didn't have to put a spreader bar into those small windows as well. So now on this one wall, we have 6 windows in the 3 big openings. Now let's look at on the inside. So inside, when you look at the before and after, it's like a completely different porch. Obviously it's the same porch. You can see the flag, the propeller here, but you look through the outside and it's one side is just screens, plus the weather was like winterish. And then on the right side, you can see the greenery, the tree already has leaves. But when you look at the windows, you can see that gives a different dynamic to the room as well. And just to point out, the spreader bar, that middle opening of this wall was wide enough to where we needed a spreader bar, but the other ones were narrow enough not to have the spreader bar. All right, so let's look at the inside a little bit more. You can see the double windows here. There's aluminum matching color mullion in between. So it looks like as though it's one big window, even though there are two on that outside wall. The other thing we did here was we trimmed out the windows with some quarter round, and this quarter round is actually PVC. The homeowner had the actual trim around every post from the outside and inside with PVC, so it would be maintenance free. So we added a PVC quarter round as well. From inside, you can see those small fixed lights on each side of the door and the big transom above the door here as well. Yeah, it just looks really, really nice. Nice, enjoyable space over here now. And they don't have to worry about pollen, rain getting in, the porch getting dirty from dust and pollen from outside. Here's another picture from the outside, from the other side. This side had actual posts in between, so we didn't have to do double windows, but they were narrow enough to be single narrow windows in each side. This is just a view from the outside. The porch is elevated and they have this solid knee wall for a fall barrier. Everything was already there. We just added the windows. It looks really good from here as well, with the green especially. So the homeowner initially was thinking about installing regular house windows and making this more of a 4-season room where he would have an AC unit and heat it and cool it all the time basically. But after looking into that, he realized it's going to be a lot more to put house windows in, and it wouldn't give him the flexibility of still having it more like a screen room. With these windows, he can bring them down and have 75% airflow and therefore make it feel like a screen room on those nice days outside when you have really nice temperatures outside. With the regular house windows, you would get double pane glass, but then you have to open, close. It just encloses it, makes it feel more like a house room, and he already has enough room inside the house. He really wanted this to feel like a porch. Another thing to point out here, you can see the homeowner already had some shades. He's getting a lot of sun from the one side. So the two sides basically, he has shades on every window, and then the one side on the deck side, that's not where he's getting much sun, so he doesn't have any shades on that portion. Again, there's versatile solutions in terms of how you want to enclose the porch, how you want to shade it from the sun, lots of options out there. So another thing this homeowner has in here is an actual kind of an outdoor type of a heater. When the room was all just screens, it got really cold in the winter. So he was using that to supplement the heat inside and keep warm. He can continue to use that as well on those really, really cold days out there in the winter. You can also see some fans in the ceiling that helps move the air around when it gets too hot. So you can see on this picture here, he's got a nice TV here, and you saw the couches on the other side. So nice relaxing space to watch some games, and on the side of the TV you can see Colorado Avalanche. I remember the very first time getting familiar with Avalanche was on a video game, just playing hockey on the video game way back in the 90s. This project was fairly simple. The openings were already there. All we had to do was measure out the windows, the openings for the windows. These windows are customized to the right width and height. We installed the windows, installed some mullions in the 3 big openings, added some trim all around on the inside to make it look really nice. So if you're looking to enclose your porch and you're looking for a solution that will convert your porch into a 3-season room, such as this, give us a call. We'll be happy to get you an estimate and get it done for you. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.